Namaste Dharti Vasio.
Hi, I'm Sweetie.
Hi, I'm Nemo.
Welcome to our channel. And today we are going to react on Attack on Titan season 4 trailer.
Yes,
I know we are late to the party, but it's the final series.
Yes.
And it's going, all
I'm
the
so excited,
answers
yes.
that we were waiting for.
So, what happened last? Let's do a short recap. So before we see the trailer.
So last was when Historia, she is also known as Krista Lenz, illegitimate child of Rodriguez, she made it public to the citizens who live inside the wall that Marlins have 7 titans under control them, and they are now searching for the rest of the titan, the founding titan.
Okay.
To get the overall control. The island is important because they have the fossil fuel, so they know all the intentions now, that okay, this is the reason. And then they slain all the titans on which are on the island, which made so the Eren, Armin, Mikasa and Levi, they finally they go, and then they see that they reach to the limit of the island, and they finally see the sea. Where Grisha Yeager saw his, where basically they were taking Eldians and they were converting them into titans. They reached that end.
Right.
So yeah, now we have to see what happens next. So
we still don't know about the gorilla, right?
No, we have to know. He was Zeke Yeager.
Yeah.
So again, he's Yeager, and I don't know, in season 3, at the end of season 3 part 1 or season 2 part ending, Zeke Yeager says that Grisha Yeager, dad of Eren, he has given false information to Eren.
Okay.
And he needs to tell the truth. Like, he needs to, he said that, there is some false information, he needs to give the truth. So now we don't know, like, what that is, what false information was that. So that's what Zeke Yeager said.
Final season is going to hopefully reveal everything, and we
so
have a satisfying ending.
Yeah, exactly. So now we need to know that, who is Zeke Yeager. Then we need to know that founding titans, and there is this thing that, a titan cannot live more than 13 years.
Oh.
Yeah. Because
I have seen season 3 way back, and there are a lot of parts which I've trying to recollect. Yeah.
So even so, because the founding titan Ymir, she got this power.
But then there are titans who are living for ages.
Those are not titan. Those are like the normal titans, not the ones those have powers. So basically, there were 9 titans.
Okay.
Yeah, and Ymir Fritz was the founding one. So right now in season 4, it's about because Marlins, if they end up getting the founding titan, then it's like done. So that's what Kruger, Eren Kruger, the guy who saved Grisha Yeager, and who told the truth about this, like about the founding titan and everything. He said that the job of Grisha Yeager was to find the founding titan.
Okay.
And now, since Eren has consumed Grisha Yeager,
it's Eren's task.
Yeah, now it's Eren's task to find the founding titan before Marlins find them.
Okay.
So yeah, there are a lot of answers that we are waiting for, and
I'm very excited, and finally it's ending.
It's going to end, and then we are going to cry.
I'm a little sad.
Once it's end, we are going to cry, and then I'll start watching again, and then I'll start watching again.
We'll need to find something to fill the hole.
So
I think it's still ongoing, right?
There are some gaps in our knowledge too, because it's a very long time since the last season 3. So let's see. Like, I'm really excited about the trailer. Let's see what we find.
It's got one of the best animations,
Yeah.
の戦士が選ばれるんだ。鎧の巨人の継承者が。
Oh, there are new people altogether.
That card titan, we have to know the card titan's identity as well.
今の俺にはわかる。お前たちは世界を救おうとした。そうなんだろう。うるさい。どうしてお前らは俺を死なせてくれないんだ。始祖ユミルの出現から今日に至るまで、どれほどの命が巨人に奪われたことでしょう。しかし近年、その平和思想は淘汰され、始祖の巨人はパラディ島に住むあるものに奪われました。その名はエレン・イエーガー。今ここに宣言します。パラディ島敵勢力へ宣戦布告を。
Oh God.
What?
That is one of the. Oof, what a trailer. I think we need to see
Yeah,
it
we need
again.
to, like, before season 4, I think we need to see season 1, 2 and
But
3 and
my
then go for
God.
season 4.
Yeah, so I remember them saying that. I don't remember the final details of it because it was, and season 1 was way back, and way back the season 2.
1 was what, 2016?
Yeah, so a lot of gaps. But
God, this trailer. So it actually started airing December 7, 2020, and the final episode is on March 24th, 2021.
I think then we should hurry up and catch up with the series.
No, let
and
it end, then we can like binge watch it, and then I'll start again. So
My
yeah, I
God,
mean,
the animation is super.
it's amazing. I mean, yeah, no, I'm very curious to know, like, because and obviously even Annie's left. What
Yeah.
is if she's still there, crystallized?
Yes.
So yeah, that's it. We'll finally get all our answers.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yes.
Attack of Titan is one of the best animes, best animation.
Yeah.
And yes, I think there are 2 movies made. There are a lot of things on Attack Titan. It's a very popular anime. And finally it's ending.
Yeah, I know.
It's going to end, and we're going to catch it up soon before the final episode comes and we sit and cry and feel the void in our heart.
Especially the endings and the openings of Attack on Titan. It's so perfect.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
we get those goosebumps, you know.
So the songs which they made, I don't think they were made for Attack of Titan, right? They're not like some band songs.
No, most of the songs are made for Attack on Titan.
And they're so apt. Right? So let's
see.
We'll catch up with I'm still breathing heavy.
Yeah.
I was just like constantly staring at the screen. Yeah, I hope we get to catch and up and okay.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
And do mention if you want to recommend us some animes, leave us in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.